In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to view products by their shipping location, in a few easy steps. The first step is to click on the products page, then hover over to ship location, and choose the products you want to see being shipped from, and shipped to. This will show products shipped from the United States to Canada. This will show all products shipped from China. If you want to see which suppliers ship from which country to which country, click on the suppliers page. You can view down here where the supplier ships from and to. As you can see from the long list here, we have tons of suppliers integrated with our company. If you click on detail, you can see the wholesale price, the shipping cost, and where the product is shipped to. Over here, you can see that most of our products come from the United States, and some from China. A disclaimer is that we can only help you ship products from the United States and Canada. If you want to ship to other countries, you must place a direct order with the supplier. You can sign up on their website and place a direct order. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.